guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started today, which is May 1st, and they are good up until Saturday, May 7th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, also I will have a Google document linked in the description box below, just in case you guys would like to check that out. And then also in this transaction, I used a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $22. Now with this transaction, I only had one issue, and that issue was that a registry reward did not print for me. I kind of figured that registry reward wasn't going to print because it usually doesn't print whenever this deal comes around, but we're going to go ahead and talk about that. So the first deal that we're going to start with is going to be on the Oral-B Glide Pro Health Floss. And these are priced at Walgreens for $4. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase three of these at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $12. We do have a $6.50 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And with using that digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $5.50. Then you will receive back a $4 registry reward for purchasing two. I did receive back my registry reward, guys, but I used it in my second transaction, so that's why I don't have it to show. So $5.50 minus that $4 registry reward that you will receive back, that's going to bring your total down to just $1.50. But then if you check your IBOTTA accounts, IBOTTA does have a floss rebate for $2 back. The limit is 3, I think. So, and I purchased 3, so I got back $2 times 3, which is 6. So I got back $6, making these completely free, plus a $4.50 moneymaker. So this is a very, very nice and easy deal to do this week, you guys. And then next up, I went ahead and I purchased 2 of the Colgate Optic White Stain Fighter toothpaste. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $4 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $3.98. And then you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making both toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then next, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these big Soleil smooth scented razors. Now, you guys, I thought that these were buy one, get one 50% off, but these ones right here are actually not, or maybe they are, they just didn't rank up buy one, get one 50% off for me. But when I checked online, they actually are not a part of the buy one, get one 50% off, but there are select big razors that are a part of the buy one, get one 50% off, but these ones aren't it. So these ones at my store are priced at $6.79. So I purchased 2. $6.79 times 2 is $13.58. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $13.58 minus the $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $9.58. And then the deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back a $5 registry reward. So $9.58 minus the $5 registry reward, which I did receive, but as I stated earlier, I used it in a second transaction, but it did in fact print for me. So $9.58 minus the $5 registry reward brought the total down to just $4.58 for both, or it makes each one $2.29. And then I also purchased a total of 9 of these Butterfingers, you guys. And this is a really good deal to do this week, especially if you like Butterfingers. So I purchased a total of 9, and they are priced at Walgreens this week for 99 cents. I purchased 9, so 99 cents times 9 is $8.91. Swagbucks has a rebate to where you can receive back $3 when you buy 3. And you can do that up to 3 times per week. So in one transaction, you can get a total of 9, and you will get back $3 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9. So I paid $8.91 for all 9, and then I got back $9 from Swagbucks, which made them completely free plus a 9-cent moneymaker. But then also, if you check your IBOTTA account, IBOTTA also has a 25-cent rebate. It is just the limit of 1. So I did get back that 25-cent rebate from IBOTTA, which made them completely free plus a 34-cent moneymaker. And then lastly, you guys, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Bounty Essential Paper Towels along with the Charmin Essential Tissue. And these are 2 for $11 this week at Walgreens. And they are, when you buy 4, you will receive a $6 registry reward. Now, this is the deal that I had an issue with the registry reward not printing. And normally whenever this deal comes around, for some reason, whenever you get the Bounty paper towels, the registry reward just will not print. Don't know why, it just happens. So I went ahead and purchased 4 total. So my total came out to be $22. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Charmin tissue. So $22 minus that $1 digital coupon will bring your total down to $21. And then when you buy 4, you will receive back that $6 registry reward, bringing your total down to $15 for all 4 packs, or it'll make each pack just $3.75. So just to let you guys know, I'm pretty sure the Bounty is the reason why the $6 registry reward not printing, but the Tide, Downy are also included in that. So you can try those items to see if the registry reward would print. Luckily for me, customer service did credit that $6 to my account. So you guys, that is everything that I got in this transaction. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. Oh, and also my goal for today's transaction was just to have a low out of pocket. So I did use some registry rewards so that I can make that happen. So there is the Charmin Essentials Tissue at 2 for $11, the paper towels at 2 for $11, all 9 of my Butterfinger at 99 cents, so $8.91. All 3 of my Oral-B floss at $4, so $12. Both of my Colgate toothpaste at $3.99, so $7.98. Both of my Bic at $6.79, so $13.58. And then I used a total of $25 in registry rewards. And even though I used $25 in registry rewards, all of my digital coupons still came off with no problem. So right here, the $6.50 is for the Oral-B, the $4 is for the Bic, the other $4 is for the Colgate, and then the $1 is for the Charmin. So it brought my subtotal to $23.97. So you guys, before any coupons, my grand total for all of this came out to be $64.47. I used a total of $15.50 in digital coupons. So that brought my total down to $48.97. So for all of this, $48.97. I can't include the $25 in registry rewards because I've gotten those registry rewards from previous deals. So I can't include those in this. So $48.97. And then when you look right here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $9.72. $5 of that came from the digital booster, get $5 when you spend $22. $4 came from the Colgate when you buy 2, and then the rest is from the extra Walgreens everyday points. So $48.97 minus the $9.72 that I got back in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $39.29. Then in registry rewards, I got back a total of $9. I got back the $5 for the Bic and the $4 for the Oral-B. So $39.25 minus the $9 in registry rewards that I got back, that brought my total down to $30.25. Then I got back $6.25 from IBOTTA. I got back $6 from the Oral-B, and I got back 25 cents from the Butterfinger. So $30.25 minus the $6.25 that I got back from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to $24. Then I got back the $6 from customer service because of my $6 registry reward not printing for the Bounty and the Charmin. So $24 minus the $6 from customer service, that brought my total down to $18. And then lastly, I got back my $9 from Swagbucks for purchasing all 9 of the Butterfingers. So $18 minus the $9 that I got back from Swagbucks, that brought my grand total down to just $9 for all of this, you guys, or it makes each item just 45 cents. So this was a really good deal, you guys, because the retail price for all of this is $64.47, but I was able to get all of it for $9. So that is going to be it for this transaction, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now. Also, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel. Leave me some comments down in the comment section, letting me know what you guys plan on getting this week from Walgreens, and I will see you all in my next video.